Okay, Francis, what do you got there?
Some new IKEA bags.
Those are awesome. Where do you get them from if you had to buy some?
I got them from IKEA.com.
That's awesome. How much do they cost a piece?
This size was 89 cents, I think.
Oh, wow.
And that's the medium.
That's a medium.
I got 3 of those, but I left one at home. And then
Okay.
this is the one that everyone usually uses for eBay.
And that's
large.
That's the large, the bigger one?
Yeah, and it was only 99 cents.
That is absolutely huge.
Yeah, I have to use one right now.
We have to keep buying new ones. Why do we have to keep buying new ones?
Because we have a horrible golden retriever at home. Here, let's show them. Let's show them. I have some of my old bags over here.
These are our old bags, and
this is what he does. He chews on all of the handles, and then I have to tie him in knots to try to make them somewhat usable.
Our dog is absolutely horrible. I would suggest that everyone own a golden retriever, but that's the kind of stuff that a golden retriever does. But we are in the basement today, and we are going to be pulling some orders. I do want to show you something. My wife got something. She's really proud of it. It actually costs more than all of the other IKEA bags together. Or not together, but more than
the most expensive one.
IKEA bag. Yeah, show them. Look at that. That is absolutely adorable.
It was $1.50.
That's too funny.
And it's got a little zipper on it. I don't have anything in it yet, but my God, that's so cute.
That is awesome. Not as cute as you, but still pretty cute. So we're going to jump into this video, and you're going to see, I think we sold like 10 items. Some stuff was pretty good. Some stuff not so good, but it all goes into our bank account at the end of the day. So let's get into it right now. One of the things I like to do while we're here, if we're out and we're getting ready to do stuff, I'm going to send offers on all of these items. I'm going to send just an extra, like, well, we're going to go with 9%. That way I don't have to type 10. But we're going to send 9% out. So while we're here, we hope something sells. Like somebody be like, oh, yeah, I'll take that. And then I'm going to go back into my eBay here. And we're going to see, we have respond to open offer. And we're going to see what that offer is. It's a St. Louis Cardinals hat that we have listed for 10 bucks. What's their offer? $8. We're going to accept that. And there we go. We're going to send out that invoice. And we're going to get done. So there we go. Okay, so we have... Okay, so we have all of our items pulled up here on the screen. And looks like our first hat, we got to pull a hat. Are you going to pull the hat first?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, so we're going to go grab this hat and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is the hat that we sold, Spokes Pub and Grill. It actually has the tag. That was a really cool, what's the word I'm looking for? Like a test hat? What would you call it? Like a...
I can't think of the word either.
Yeah, anyway, so it was...
Like a trial run?
Like, yeah, like a... Now I feel so stupid.
I can't think of the word either. You should know because you.
Yeah, I worked at Cap America. Yeah, it's like like a trial run to see if they like the design or not. If you know the word, let me know now. A sample. That's it. Yay, sample. There we go. Yeah. So it was a sample, and how much did it sell for?
It sold for $11 plus shipping.
That's not bad at all. Going to Farmington. That's the best part.
16, 18 miles from us.
Where it's from, so it's probably going to the owner or something like that.
Yeah.
That just jumped out at me. I don't know, you might have to, is this it
I'll
right?
have to double check, but that might be.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, I didn't think we were going to find it that easy. That's pretty cool. We've got one CD here. Now we've got another one, and it's going to be elusive. What's the name of it?
Super Bass 2.
Super Bass. Super Bass Dos. That's in Spanish. So, I don't know. There's Save Ferris. You know, I would tell you people, if I was a smart individual, I would put these in alphabetical order. But
I thought that too, but my God, that would take so long.
Exactly. I mean, at the end of the day, it probably would save you time overall. But, like, I've got a whole thing of CDs here and a whole thing of CDs here. And it would just take forever. So we're going to find it. We'll be right back. After 10 million years later, it seems... we found these 2 CDs, and I bought these CDs. I bought these CDs in a lot of CDs that I bought from an online auction, and they were pretty much totally crap. Like, and I just kept buying them, and I just kept buying them, and I just kept buying them. It's like lottery scratch-off tickets. I thought that if I just bought enough of them, eventually I'd hit the jackpot, and that didn't happen. I've got 2 totes of them upstairs. I've probably got as many CDs as that I've got back there upstairs ready to process and I'm just not in the mood for it. Like, I'll probably do it. It'll probably be like a late winter thing. I'll go through them. But anyways, how much did they sell for?
They're about $5 a piece. $4.95 and $5.50.
Like $5 a piece.
Plus shipping.
Plus shipping, yeah. But at the end of the day, my question to you guys, is it really worth messing with stuff like that? Like, there's one reseller that I follow that has like 30-something thousand listings. And a lot of the stuff that he has listed is like $5 CDs, $3 cassettes. And I'm like, yeah, it's nice to sell 400 items over a weekend, but like, I don't know. I've always said in our business, like, we have 2,600 items listed. I followed a guy that was a big eBay seller, and he had like, I want to say somewhere in the neighborhood of like 15,000 items listed. He got 120 feedback over the past 30 days, and I've gotten 100. Like, I don't know. I just think I'm really good at this reselling thing, but I don't know. We're going to look for our next item. What is that?
It's a DVD of some
Oh,
sort.
Juan Diego Flores, Don Pascal. Used. Great shape. So, we're going to go find it, and we'll be right back. Okay, that was a lot easier to find. We have Mr. Don Pascal. I don't know what it's about. I just buy DVDs, and I like to list them and sell them. Looks like it sold for $7.50. Okay, so what's the next item that we're looking for? It's this item right here. I beat you to it. We were looking for it. I put train box, and she didn't know what train box was. And it doesn't look that big in the picture.
Yeah, I was.
But what did you say?
I said, oh my God, that's huge. I thought it was
that's
going
what
to be
she
like
said.
one like this long.
Oh, how big?
Like this long.
Oh, but it's not that big. Sometimes looks can be deceiving. Sometimes you got a big box car. When you think when you think that you should have a small box car, sometimes you got a big box car. How much did it sell for?
$25 plus shipping.
Nice. What's the next item that we're looking for? That St. Louis Rams?
Yeah, the Rams, yeah.
That's a pullover.
It's from about almost 2 years ago. So.
Yeah, I wonder if is it on the clothes rack, or is it... It might be. Look at that. I can't believe nobody's not bought that Boo Bears. Like, that thing is so cool.
That's cool.
Jerseys, old jersey tag. You can look over there, and I'll just flip through here. It's a pullover, ain't it?
Yeah, it's just navy with a V-neck with like a trim around the V-neck.
How has no one bought that? That's cool.
But it's short sleeve. It's not like a sweatshirt.
Yeah, and these are all sweatshirts over here. Hopefully they'll start selling soon. Maybe it's down there. I didn't do it. It wasn't me. Oh, I forgot. There's another. Those are all the jackets, though. You not see it down there? Well, crap. We'll be right back as soon as we locate inventory that we should have properly tagged and bagged and inventoried. We're bad business owners, people. Forgive us. This is it right here. Not too bad. Kind of like a 3/4 sleeve length, maybe. I don't know. How much did it sell for?
$8 plus shipping.
Not too bad. But we had it listed for how long?
Like 2 years almost.
Yeah. So that's good. It can just go. I'm happy to see it go to a home. Is it? I wonder if it's going to Los Angeles, or, because like, I'm just curious. I'm like, because a lot of this stuff goes to Los Angeles anymore. And it is going to, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll.
New York.
New York. How weird is that?
New City, New York?
Well, better than the old city, I guess. Okay, we are having some trouble with the drawer there. There we go, you got it. I got faith in you. We sold this neat little belt buckle here. It didn't sell for much, sold for like $7 plus shipping on top. Okay, Francis is going to grab some car parts, and we're going to speed this process up because I'm going to go down here and grab this awesome one of these catalogs here. Is JCPenney's, right?
What?
It was a JCPenney's catalog, right?
Yeah, it's 1971. The Christmas place, 1971.
Here we go. You said it and it appeared. This right here, people, this is money, people. This is absolute money. This is a highly collectible, highly sought after magazine. People buy them, spend good money on them, and it sold for 90 bucks. They paid $101 for that catalog, shipped from 1971. That's the kind of stuff that whenever I'm out at auctions and stuff like that, I am always looking for. That's a sleeper, that's a bolo. They are super hard to find, and I make really good money on that kind of catalog. Okay, that took a minute, but we found a couple of small little car parts here. Just a couple little windshield parts. How much did they sell for?
I guess like $4.95 each.
Okay, so 10 bucks
shipping.
for the pair plus shipping.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Okay, so the next item that we sold is this huge, nope, not computer monitor, lot of kitchenware here. We sold this. We picked it up for, I want to say, like $5. Maybe a little bit of room there. Here we go. And this is, what's this, melamine, whatever it's called.
Something like that.
It is like, I guess it's probably from the 70s. It's some kind of like cheap dishware, but it's got a really big following. I sold that whole lot. We sold it for how much?
$40 plus shipping, and it's going GSP.
GSP. So the last time we sold some of that, it actually went GSP. It went to Canada overnight. It wasn't GSP, but we sold some of that stuff. We actually sold it to the production company that was making Deadpool 2, and we overnighted it, and unfortunately it never made it in the movie.
It was like a light green, like a mint green color. A bunch of cups and
saucers, and they were going to use it in some scene that was supposed to be in a cafeteria, and I'm guessing it was either in the prison or in the school. But in the school, a lot of those scenes were cut, and they were not, they just never showed up, which was disappointing to us, but we still made a ton of money on that stuff. And with this,
I still have the screenshot of that on my phone somewhere.
right. And the stuff that's worth the most, like anything, is the bright, vibrant colors. Like, we only got 40 bucks for that, but we paid $5 for it. So we flipped our money and made good money on it. But if you would find like pink or like blues, purples in a set like that, you're talking like 60 to some of it. Individual pieces can be worth a bunch, but a set of it would be like $100. So just keep your eyes peeled for it, and make some money. So I think that's everything, right?
Yep.
Okay, so she's going to be down here packaging some stuff. I'm going to go upstairs. We bought some stuff today, and I kind of want to show you guys. Like, I'm pretty excited. I found a bunch of hats. There's a little bit of a story. I had to beat a guy to him. She's smiling because she likes a good beating a guy. She likes to beat a guy to stuff. That didn't come out right. She likes to get the deals before anyone else, just like me. She's a little competitive. But these hats are pretty freaking fire. Oh, I think I told you they're hats, and they're pretty awesome. So let's go upstairs and I'm gonna show you what the hats look like. Say goodbye, Francis.
Goodbye, Francis.